Hello everyone. Today's new word is stockpiling, which is noun. In Hindi, it is called as एकत्रीकरण करना. Normally, generally, it happens that we stock something, some material, food item, medical supplies, or something for long term, and in the future use, we are stocking them in a store. That is also called as a stockpiling, meaning the practice of storing a large supply of something for future use. This word is very useful for you when you have to describe the pandemic situation or effects of the corona or any kind of thing where you have to describe that people are just doing stockpiling for the future use, and that increases the price of the actual product. Okay, here I have provided 3 examples, and afterwards you have to share your own sentence. I am requesting in all my videos, but people are not sharing. It's okay. Now, first example, nowadays many of the countries are stockpiling medical supplies. Again, nowadays many of the countries are stockpiling medical supplies. Second, emergency stockpile of water bottles and packed food is loaded in the truck to serve the needy. Emergency stockpile of water bottles and packed food is loaded in the truck to serve the needy. Third one, government is taking necessary steps to stockpiling of the essential item by the merchants. Government is taking necessary steps to stop stockpiling of the essential items by the merchants. I hope you understand this word and its meaning. Please share your sentence. Thank you. Have a nice day.